got a little bassinet stroller on the front. A little blue, blue bassinet stroller on the front. I like these strollers. I like the front-facing bassinet strollers. I like bassinets. Oh no. Okay. Alrighty. We have here a card. Can I show it? With the bassinet. I like bassinet strollers and I like bassinets. And the box has a bassinet stroller and the card has a bassinet. Cool. OCSDOLL. And this is the birth certificate to fill out. Alrighty. I see a doll. Yay! Let's see. Okay, strap down. Got a tag. Oh, got a face with his magnet on there. Yay! Oh, wait, y'all want to see it, huh? Let's see. The shirt has, what is that on their shirt? Cows. Yay, my baby doll! Comes with a receiving blanket or a changing blanket. Cool. On this side, I guess that's PVC. Is that right? PVC, I think it is. PVC plastic, I think. And then the front side is felted, perhaps. With that, this can y'all? Am I in the camera? Lord, Lord, Lord. Let's see. There. That's so pretty. Going around the blanket. It's a round blanket, actually. To say round, it's a round blanket. Ah, I love uniqueness. Okay. Oh, here it comes with a bottle. Let's see, the bottle has some design on it. And I might have to stop this video and come back later after I pull out my doll. Let's see. Look at my doll. Oh my goodness. Yay! Yes! Okay. See y'all soon. I'm gonna go play with my doll.